Welcome everyone to the first episode of our Great Lakes treasure hunting series of 2023. And as you can see, we returned to beautiful Ashtabula. It's a sunny Sunday, and there's plenty of beautiful rocks and beach glass along the shoreline, as you can see here today. So today we're going to do a little bit of exploration. We're at Walnut Beach currently. This is one of our favorite spots in Lake Erie. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the peaceful beach walk. I cannot believe how warm it is during February. Today it's in the mid-40s. Just a beautiful day here. Alright guys, so I'm just kind of going along here. I found some beautiful pieces so far. A lot of white. There's a green in there, a lime green color, as well as an amber piece. 2 amber pieces. So let's continue along here and see if we can find some more. I'm kind of in a good spot right now. There's a lot of seashells that are out here today. So let's go and take a look, guys. See if we can find something real quick. I also find a lot of fossils at this particular beach. Oh, look at this. Oh wow, it's like a light blue, bluish green. There's also another amber piece right here. Then as we continue along, look, there's another amber piece. I'm probably gonna miss some along the way. Looks like there's an old bottle cap over here. Alright, let's go. There's another lime green, I think. Yeah, there it is. And actually the water here is freezing. It's ice cold. But I'm going to still continue on. I'm in search of a lot of beach glass today. Let's see. What's over here? Anything interesting? Just a lot of seashell pieces. I think there's an amber. Oh no, there's a little white piece. What a gorgeous day to be out here. Another white piece. Here's an amber. Oh wow, look at this one. It's not fully polished, but I still like it. There's another little amber piece. You can see. So it's very easy today to find beach glass here. Here's another white piece. Here's another white piece over here. Another one. Oh my gosh, look at my hand. It's getting, I have so much. What's that? I don't know what that is, but I like it. Alright guys, so I just stopped to warm up my hands. And now I already found a few pieces. Here's another piece over here. We're going to just continue along the shoreline and I'll show you what I find. Here's another little tiny piece. A couple little pieces. Sometimes if you just stop and look, you could really find all the different colors. You have to take your time. This is a nice spot over here too because there's a lot of buildup of different rocks. Alright, let's see. See a lot of seashell remnants over here. We've had a really mild winter this year. I thought that was a piece. Here's another little blue piece. Beautiful blue color. Another nice amber, couple of them sitting over here. Might be a little sandy, but that's okay. So I'm going to try to do more beach glass and collecting videos this year. Look how gorgeous this day is. And at the end of the video, I'll showcase all of my beach glass that I found. Look at this. Another nice one. Okay, this part of the beach is a little sketchy, so I'm going to go up here onto the snow. You have to really be careful during the winter time because this beach is like quicksand. You'll sink in. There's a few spots I already sunk in as I was walking along the shoreline. I'm going to continue over here. This looks like a good section with a lot of different rocks and possibly some beach glass. But let's see. A lot of seashells. Here's a little piece. Alright, let's see. There's probably some more stuff over here. Oh, look at that amber piece. Actually, that's more of a yellowish. It's beautiful, though. So this part coming up is very compacted with driftwood, as you can see. During the winter time, the powerful shores along Lake Erie, they bring in these large pieces of driftwood. Look at this. Oh, wow. It's a feather over there, jeez. But look at that. That's definitely a big piece. There's also even larger ones over here. You can tell by the weathering they've been here a while. This one has a really unique shape too. Look at that. I'm gonna check out this one last spot over here.